Pearl a kiss.
Okay, then we can go and read books. Watch out, she's gonna pull your hair.
Please give baby Pearl a kiss.
Laughing at him.
On
Your mouth.
On her mouth. Kiss on the mouth. Kiss on the mouth.
Right, there's your mouth, right there. Go. 1, 2, 3, quick. Just give her a kiss and get out of there. Then she won't touch your hair.
Megs, one more kiss, okay? And then you can go read books with Oma.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Go, go, go. Go. I help you. I help you. I help you. Come on, come on, come on. Please. Just quick, real quick. Oh, I guess not. Sorry, Mom, you'll have to watch.